Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. So I'm looking at Jasmy at the moment, and Jasmy got, I don't know, some invalidation of a pattern trying not to play out, and it's quite different, but I do see some little bit of invalidation of the bear flag. We also got a head and shoulder on Bitcoin that got invalidated as well, so those both things are actually being taken out. So at the moment, all you're doing is you're trying to come up here, so you do have like 3 hours 15 minutes to close this candlestick. And for Jasmy, you're personally trying to make some move to the upside once again. But the main thing is that, if I dive into the daily time frame, I wonder if some of these stop losses are going to be maintained or not. But I do see that this stop here and this stop here, these are two stop losses where people probably thinking that it's not going to be taken away, and I do think it's really easy for a manipulation to happen down there and maybe take some stop losses down here and then maybe shoot to the upside later on in the future. At the moment, keep one thing in mind, that Bitcoin got a regular bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. We got overextended. We are sitting at nearly $27,000. And I think we're going to take a break because we're coming off from $18,000 all the way to $27,000. So I do think that there could be some small retracement down to $23,000 levels. And then from there, there's one big support on $23,000. So if you actually end up meeting that support, it's going to be way better for, trading in the future. So for me personally, that's all I can talk about Jasmy at the moment. There's not any pattern that says it's going to go up other than just having this demand box that I've told you before. So you got that demand box as usual as before, and this demand box can actually be very important level. But to me, before shooting to the upside all of a sudden, I do see people having stop losses right somewhere in these levels, and I think they're going to actually take the stop losses because they want to take stop losses. They're not going to give free money to the upside, of course. Now, keep in mind, there's no any confirmation of Jasmy bottoming out just yet. We still have chances of coming down for Jasmy, but it's doubtful. It's really doubtful due to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin gets bullish and tries to move to $34,000, then even though we could have a target to the downside, but you can see every single coin is going to go up. No matter how bearish the coin is, the coin is going to go up because SPX is also bullish. Do watch the Bitcoin update on the channel to get more idea. So that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. At the moment, I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.